Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here is 6.5 kgs Samsung top load fully automatic washing machine. Now I am going to show you how to use this machine completely. That is, now I will show you how to use these wash options on the machine keypad, and this is this machine's washing drum. I will also show you how to add clothes to the machine washing drum and how to use this detergent tray completely. But if you want to know about this machine's price or installation of this machine or complete cleaning process of this machine, I made some videos about this model and some other models also, and I have given the video links in the description and screens also, you can check there. Okay, let me explain how to use this machine completely. This machine is completely fully automatic washing machine. So if you start the machine after adding the clothes, machine will automatically complete 3 cycles: wash, rinse, and finally dry also. So we don't need to anything in the middle of the washing. After the wash is completed, we can take the clothes directly from the machine. Here is machine's washing drum. This is a 6.5 kgs machine. It mean here washing drum loading capacity is 6.5 kgs. Here there is a lint filter on the side of the washing drum. If any dust comes into the washing drum while washing the clothes, the dust goes inside this inlet filter. If you ever notice any dust inside it, we have to take it out and clean it and replace it again. If you want to know how to clean complete washing machine like detergent tray or washing drum or here lint filter, and we have to clean also backside inlet pipe filters, I made a complete cleaning process video and I have given the video link in the description and screens also. Okay, first let me add cloths into the machine washing drum. After add the cloths, I will show you how to use detergent tray and wash options on the machine keypad. While adding the cloths to the drum, do not add in reverse because the cloths like jeans have more data on the outside. Okay, now I am adding a detergent powder in this detergent tray, but if you want to use detergent liquid, you can also use detergent liquid instead of the detergent powder. Next, here there are like 3 holes on the drum side. If you want to add fabric softener liquid, we have to add the liquid side of the washing drum here. We need to fabric softener liquid in the rinse cycle after completing the first wash cycle with the detergent. After starting the machine, it will 3 cycles wash, rinse, spin one by one. If you use fabric softener in the rinse cycle after completing the first wash cycle, the cloths will get good result. So after the rinse cycle start, pause the machine in the rinse cycle starting stage and open the door and add the softener liquid here. Then close the door and start the machine again. Don't forget to pause the machine before open the door. Otherwise, I have made a video how to add the softener liquid and I have given that video link in the description below. If you want to know how to add fabric softener liquid, you can check with that link. Okay, next these are the wash options on the machine keypad and this is the power button. Okay, let me explain how to use these wash options completely before starting the machine. Here are some wash cycle options to choose depending on the class we add to the machine. That is, here are some wash cycle options like normal, quick wash, delicates, soak plus normal, and energy saving. Machine takes the normal wash cycle option here by default, but if you want to select any of these manually, here with this cycle option we can select manually any of these depending on the cloths we add to the machine. After starting the machine, the washing time also depends on the wash option we select here. Okay, here I will also show you how to use these wash options as well. Here is normal wash option. You can choose it regularly. That is, if you want to wash all type of clothes, you can select this normal wash option. If you select this option, it takes 1 hour and 10 minutes for washing. Next, here is a quick wash option. If compared to the other wash programs here, it washes in less time in 30 minutes. You can select it when you add less cloths to the machine washing drum or when the cloths have less dirt or stains. Next, this is delicate option. If you want to wash delicate type of clothes, like if you want to wash any work sarees, you can choose this wash option. Next, here is soak plus normal wash option. If you want to soak the clothes with the detergent for some time, you can choose it. If you select this option, after taking the detergent, the machine will pauses to soak the clothes, and after some time the machine starts automatically after the clothes are soaked. Next, here is energy saving wash option. Generally no need this option, but if you choose this option, it will save some energy as the rinse cycle will complete in a little less time. Next, here is tub clean option. If you want to clean washing machine's washing drum, you can select this option to clean machine's washing drum. But if you want to know how to clean complete cleaning process of this machine, like how to clean detergent tray or washing drum or lint filters and backside inlet pipe filters, I have given the complete cleaning process video link in the description and end screens also, you can check there. Next, this is the water level option. Machine takes the default water level between 1 and 5 depending on we select wash options here. But if you want to set the water level manually depending on the clause in the washing drum, you can select manually water level between here 1 and 5 with this water level option. Next, here is child lock option. If you have any children and you want to lock the washing options on the machine keypad, you can use this option. If you want to use this option, you need to press and hold here function and monsoon option for 3 seconds. If you press and hold these options for 3 seconds, here the child lock will turn on, and here the child lock symbol will also indicate. Otherwise, if you want to turn off the child lock, you need to press again these both options for 3 seconds. Next, here these are wash, rinse, spin, wash cycle indicator lights. After starting the machine, it will do these 3 cycles: wash, rinse, spin one by one. Here spin means the final cycle drying. If you want to any of these separately, here with this function option we can also select manually. Okay, here I explained how to use these wash options completely. Now I have already added cloths to the washing drum and added detergent to the detergent tray. Now after adding the cloths and detergent, I am starting the machine here. Okay, here the machine has started and water is also taken into the washing drum. After starting the machine, it will these 3 cycles: wash, rinse, spin. If these 3 cycles are completed, the wash will complete. After some time, the first wash cycle and rinse cycle are completed in the machine, and finally machine is drying the cloths. If the drying is complete, 0 will appear on the display and it will be indicate with a beep sound. Okay friends, in this video I explained how to use this machine completely. If you have any doubts, you can also comment in below comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.